This is the stunning vaquita, the rarest animal in the world. Only 10 of them exist. Yo, are you scamming me right now?
No, it's a porpoise, very rare, that they've been trying to track it, and they keep dying. So they're not mating. And
would they be able to influence? I know humans always overdo it. Would they be able to influence in one kind of way? Like,
yeah, I'm sure they could, but they're just tracking it naturally to see if they copulate. But they're not doing so well.
You just drop a copulate on a show? Damn, dude. Vaquitas are little porpoises that live in the northern area of the Gulf of California. Due to overfishing, they're almost extinct. And I don't even think they're probably aiming for these things. It's just the nets and stuff, right? Because it kind of looks like a dolphin. It looks like a Pixar dolphin.
Yeah, kind of like a beluga whale as well.
And the face there. The body of a dolphin.
Yeah.
It's a type of porpoise. The vaquita, also known as the Phocaena sinus, or sinus, is a small porpoise native to the northern area of Gulf California. The sea creature can grow to be 5 feet long, fully grown, 120 pounds. Animal's been on the endangered list for several years now, but concerns about its survival are growing. There were 600 of them they could track in 97. Population dwindled to 30 in 2017, and today there are thought to be 10 left. Environmentalists believe fishermen's use of gill nets is the reason behind the increasing endangerment. 10 left? Man. That's rough. Oh. And then scientists say that the endangered porpoise isn't doomed so long as humans do what? Stop using those nets over there?
Yeah, pretty much.
What? 10 are going to be able to repopulate the whole deal?
They have to capture a few and then just...
Vaquita marina is Spanish for little sea cow. The world's most endangered marine mammal. Small size and black markings. We're really pushing back on the idea that the species is doomed. Comes from Jacqueline Robinson, an evolutionary geneticist at the University of California. While all future vaquita will be descendants of just an estimated 10 remaining porpoises, the study shows that the negative impacts of inbreeding would be minimal. In fact, Robinson and her team found the species would have good chance of recovering if it can just be protected from gill nets. Walls of netting submerged underwater. Okay. She's like, no, we got good genetic code. It's a bunch of 10 randoms. They're not even related.
Yeah, but there's so many gill nets, apparently.
They can relaunch. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know enough about conservation to say, like, is it worthwhile to kind of, is there a way to protect these ones? Or will you just ruin them if you interfere? Let's, you know what? Wherever they are, just get rid of these gill nets temporarily. Let them go. Let them do what they do. Let them copulate, as Will says. In Mexico, fishermen use gill nets to collect an endangered fish species called totoaba. On the black market, totoaba can fetch up to 50 G's. It's a delicacy in China. 50 G's for the... Can I see what a totoaba looks like? So they're screwing this guy up because they're going for this other even more endangered guy.
Yeah. That looks like a regular fish.
Are you pissed or what, Will?
Yeah. It's not...
Are you pissed? 50 G's for one of those guys?
Any kind of extinction of an animal is...
The large payoff attracts fishermen. Like, these dudes are driven by the demand. These dudes, these fishermen, you know, type of town they live in, type of lifestyle they have. If someone says, hey, there's a $50,000 fish out there, they're going to do whatever it takes. You can't be buying this $50,000 fish. That's the problem. That's some goofy. What do they think about it? Well, let's go deeper.
Okay.
Let's go deeper, because you're pissed. This totoaba, what's so good about it? Why are they going to spend 50 G's for it? The bladder. They want the bladder? What's going on with the bladder? What's it supposed to cure? Come on.
Okay, hold on.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're going, then let's go. Not the vaquita. Let's just find out why you need that. Delicacy in Chinese cuisine. Let's go. No, click on the wiki. We're going deep, okay? We're going to get to the bottom of it. The totoaba is a 2-meter fish, can be 220 pounds in weight. Big boy. The largest species in the drum family. It can live up to 15 years. Sexual maturity is not reached till 6 to 7 years old. And this fish spawns only twice a year. Population growth is slow, with a minimum population doubling time of 4.5 to 15 years. So it's slow.
Okay.
Reproduction is slow, which is the key why it would be vulnerable. You understand? Because it takes too long to make more. A threat to totoaba is human poaching. The swim bladder is a valuable commodity. It is considered a delicacy in Chinese cuisine. The meat is sought after for making soups. It can fetch high prices. 200 bladders sold for $3.6 million.
Oh, my goodness.
As it is erroneously believed by many Chinese to be a treatment for fertility, circulatory skin problems, swim bladder. Smuggled to Hong Kong, illegal import screenings are lax. From there, they're sometimes forwarded to Chinese mainland. The trade once focused on the Chinese bahaba, but its population is already depleted, so they shifted to totoaba. And the illegal totoaba fishery threatens the vaquita because of the type of nets you use, targets them as well, which is what we just talked about, that there's only 10 left. So you got to shut this one down. They got to patrol this region and go leave the bladders alone, all right? It's not going to fix your fertility. Just leave
Neither is the rhino horn.
Just leave the bladder over there.
Yeah.
Let's not worry
Leave it alone.
Let's not worry about the bladders. And if you don't have the 3.6 million for the bladders, then the fishermen aren't going to jump out there. So the demand goes down, and they're like, "Oh, who cares? It's just another fish. Leave it alone."
Yeah.
No fertility over there. Let them copulate.
Can we do that?
Let the fish copulate. You understand? They don't copulate. What are you talking about? The porpoise would. This guy's not copulating.
Yeah.
This guy over here got the eggs. He's fertilizing.
Oh, okay.
I should be clear on this.
Gotcha.
Fish, mammal, porpoise. Let's get it straight. The dolphins definitely copulate.
Yeah.